Yes, it's William, and I'm in the Jeep. Yeah, you can see I'm still in Alabama because there's the Riverstone in the truck behind me, but I want to talk about this product that was sent to me last week, and I'm going to unbox it right here in front of you and talk about it and show you what's in the package. I wish I'd have known about this stuff before I got into full-time RV life, because I had an older truck that I loved, lifted. We took it snowmobiling and everything. I had a work car that I used for hauling packages and stuff. They were both older vehicles that did not have Apple CarPlay, okay? It was a pain in the butt, you just plug in your thing, but it'd been so nice if I'd have known about stuff like this. Now, so that's why I'm bringing it to you. I'm going to unpack it. I'm going to plug it into this Jeep. We're going to see if it even works. But this is supposed to be the new greatest and latest, right? $229 on Amazon. Just remember, we don't get paid to do these reviews. We just get the product for free. But I'm going to give this one away. So anybody out there that thinks they could use this, you need to give us a thumbs up. You need to like and subscribe, okay? That's all I ask you to do, is like and subscribe, because there'll be other videos that come out, even if you're not in the RV life or you're not in the RV transport. I'll always be doing reviews, because the bigger the channel gets, the more companies reach out to you. So I'm always going to be doing reviews. But we're going to give this thing away. It's called CarPodGo T3 Pro. Yeah. Okay. Basically, it's its own little display, and it's an Apple CarPlay. I think you can use Android too. I have iPhones now, so that's why I just say Apple. But it's that same effect. It'll take your older car. It comes with all the plugins and everything for all different vehicles, so that you can run your music and everything through your existing system, and you can actually have your phone connect to it and play that. Plus you've got, you got your maps and all that other stuff that's really cool. So just remember, it's $229 on Amazon. Robin will put a link below so that you can, if it's something you think you want to buy right away, you can go ahead and do that. If you think you can win it, then you need to send us an email. All you do in the email is tell William or Robin, put me in the entry. I'd like to try to win that, okay? We'll run it for like 2 weeks, just like we did on the last two, and then you'll get notified by email if your name was drawn. And we'll send it out to you for free. But that's what we're going to do with this one. We're going to give it away. I love giving shit away. You know that. Especially for the people that watch our channel and take the time to reach out to me and Robin. We appreciate all that. So let's see what we got. I don't even know how I'm going to open this thing, because, oh, maybe I can get it with my finger. All right. Okay. But let's see if it says anything about this thing on here. I got it on my phone here. Fully laminated screen, CarPodGo T3 Pro Portable, 60 FPS, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, 8.9 inch. Okay. $229. I've watched other videos on this one. Whenever they reach out to me and say they want to send me this stuff, I go and I check it out there and see if it's something that I'd even be interested in. And this one seems to be the best one out there on the market. So just remember, if you come across this video and you know of a better one, I'll leave it in the comments for all the people that watch the video. But as of right now, what I've determined, this is the best one. But it's also $229. I found cheaper ones out there, but they didn't have all the features this one has. It's a nice box. I feel like I'm buying an Apple iPhone. Look at just a huge Apple iPhone. Doesn't it look like an Apple iPhone or an iPad or some shit, or a tablet, more like an Android tablet? Nice box, nice thick heavy box. Let's see what we got here. All the stuff's gonna fly out. Okay, got the first part of it. Okay, we got a nice screen, very nice. I feel like I just bought a $1,000 iPhone. Oh, you gotta love this stuff. They put this stuff on there to make you feel like you're really getting your money's worth. But you know what? Just from the quality of it right now, it's very nice. It's got the little pew. Oh, don't you love that sound? Oh. Robin just got her new iPhone. I did that yesterday, setting her new iPhone up, so that was fun. All right, let's throw this up there. What do we got on the back here? Ooh, it's a magnetic one. This would be great, but I don't need it in my truck, because my truck has magnetic stuff like this on everything. So you can mount this in lots of different ways. Mount it to a windshield, mount it to the dash. It comes with all kinds of mounting features like that. But the back is just, ooh, and it's a strong, look at this. It's a strong magnet. So as long as you got it mounted to your vehicle nice, it ain't going nowhere. that's pretty cool. That's what we got there. Let's lay this up here. See what else we got. Looks like we got quite sure how that one works. It's got several different mounting options. I mean, I don't want to take them all out of the package, but there's one that probably hooks to this other thing that they sent us. They sent us this thing, okay? So you can hook it to the windshield, or if it's an older car, like some of my older cars, I just screw it right to the dash. Who cares? You know, I'm going to drive the car until it runs dead, and I don't really care. Because it's nothing worse than driving down the road and this stuff all falls off in your lap, or it's 100 degrees out, you know, and it doesn't hold up. But you could go like, yeah, I'm not quite sure what this one is, because I guess it's for this little shaft thing. It comes with an extra one. So you could take this setup. Yeah, you could take this up. You could hook this in here like so. Stick it to your dash. Stick the little magnetic thing right on there, and that would work, okay? But my opinion, 100-degree days in the summer, this thing's coming off. You know, if it's an older car, you don't really care. You're mounting it somewhere, just put a couple screws in there. Make sure this thing stays there, or you're going to have a mess. But that's what I would do on my older vehicle, is I would screw this down to the dash with the two-sided tape stuff too, mount this to it, and have it set right above my stereo. It looked like it was there from the factory, so that's really cool. So it's got that style. It's got the windshield style one. Pretty much, it's got two of these, so it's got an extra one if you screw up the first time. This windshield suction thing has got the little flat piece that you can put down, and then you can suction it to that. I mean, sometimes that helps. All the little accessories for the wiring and stuff, the instruction manual, and the most important part, the little charge unit. So that's what we're going to look at, because that's the only part that's important to us right now. It's got lots of different wiring. USB type C. Another one that just plugs in. If you got even the old style, where, remember the old ones where you just plug this in as all you have? This vehicle I can plug it into. Oh, I got an auxiliary plug-in too, so we can do that too. Yes, this vehicle has that auxiliary one too. Okay. And then you're not going to lose your plug-in, because it's got an extra one in there. So when you plug it in the vehicle, like I do on this thing, let's start this vehicle up. Hopefully that's not too loud. Let's get some air going in here. Turn that down. So you can plug this thing in, and you're not losing your other plug-in. This looks very simple. This is not going to be anything hard, and it's probably going to work on anything out there, no matter how old some of those vehicles are. Okay, we got power there. Let's see what we got power here. Okay, plugins are on the side right there. Let's get the right one. USB and power. So, okay, we got power there. I'm not quite sure how the rest of this all works. Comes with this big bunch of wiring too. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I didn't even know that. It actually comes with a backup camera. So if you got a really old vehicle without a backup camera, you can actually mount this back there. Comes with all the wiring, and you click that and wire it in, and it plugs right in, and you got a backup camera. I had no idea it even came with a backup camera, so that part's cool. So you've got a backup camera to go with it. You've got all the mounts to hold it down. You got a few different wire accessories to run it through your system, like so. I can get it all to go together. That one went together. So we're plugged into auxiliary. I've never used auxiliary on this thing, so, oh, there is a button on the dash for it. It must know I'm there. Let's plug it in. Ooh, I already heard something make a noise. Okay, so let's see what we got to do here. Please turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Okay, came right to that right away. Let's go to settings. So far so good. Bluetooth is on. It is, what is it exposed? Okay, it shows up right away. It shows as a PND-19B. 1D9B. Then it comes up with the code. Code comes across my phone, as you can see. Pair it. Allow sync. Yeah, we'll allow that. Pairing request. See what happens on here. Okay. Connect. It's connecting. Bluetooth. Looks like we're connected. Let's see what happens. What am I not doing right here? It's got. Let's turn on Bluetooth. iPhone CarPlay is mode. Phone pops up. Pop-up box. English system. You can connect it Bluetooth too. Okay, let's see what we got here. I think this new software, you got to go into Apple CarPlay on your phone, because I have the new iOS 18 on here, so I think that you have to go in there and turn it on in there. So it shows it there. Boom. Okay, it is there. Let's see if we can find. Too many buttons. System, Bluetooth, brightness, CarPlay settings, right drive, 10-second timeout, so it's got all that kind of stuff. You know, there's a lot of stuff here that goes on. There's a lot of things that this thing does. You just got to be smarter than it is, right? Show messages and notifications. Name, type of device. Car stereo. Let's go like that. Music should play through there. Okay. Turn that down. I think I got everything plugged in right. See if we have CarPlay. CarPlay connecting, and look at that. There it is. Let's see if it works. Not sure how the volume works on this thing, but it's all there. I'm plugged in there. Plugged in there. Pause the music. Oh, I've never used auxiliary on this thing before, so I'm not quite sure how that all works. Let's go to settings. Actually, this is a really nice screen. I mean, let's see if we can even, let's go back. I mean, everything is really cool. I mean, it's got maps. Well, it shows where we're at, so that's cool. Music, looped. Not quite sure how to. It's pretty sad when you got a vehicle here and you don't know how to play the music through it, because I've never used auxiliary, because I'm always just using my CarPlay automatically. So. It's like, William, you should know how to do this stuff before you get on camera, right? I mean, come on. But you know what? The product is cool. The screen is very nice. The quality is great. I just don't... Okay. Let's not play that too long because copyright stuff and everything. So I did get that part to work. But it's definitely nice. I love the magnetic part. You're going to love the quality of the screen. And even when you turn CarPlay off, it just has a regular clock and everything in it. And then you can hook up the backup camera. And then, yeah, there's CarPlay again. And then you got the, looks like you can add, a lot of my apps are showing up on here. Road Tripper, On the Way, Google Maps, YouTube Music, WhatsApp, all that stuff. RV Life, all that stuff's on there. So, you know, another thing too, I didn't even think about it. We have a lot of people that enter to win stuff from us that have older RVs. I had another similar one like this that we gave away a while back that had the front camera and everything built into it and everything. This one doesn't have that. This just has a backup camera. So this might work good for your older RV too. So you might want to enter to win that. Or if you're looking to have it right now, you can purchase it. Just remember, Robin will put everything down in the description below. And then, you know, if it's something you want to try to win, let's do that too. Let's go ahead and send us an email. And maybe you'll be the lucky winner. But this is nice. This is nice. I wish I had my old Chevy pickup right now. I had this lifted 4-wheel drive that me and Robin took up snowmobiling in the mountains of Wyoming all the time. We take it camping. I probably had some videos out there with a tent in the back of it. I love that truck. I just hated that older stereo system. This would have solved all my problems for $229. I was thinking about spending like $500 and redoing the whole dash and putting a fancier stereo in there. I could have just done this because the thing had a stereo that sounded really nice. It had nice sound. I just got tired of plugging my phone in. I wanted to for it to connect seamlessly. That's why you want that. And I like having the maps on the dash right there. And that's a nice enough screen size. So, you know, we hope you like this video. If you do, give us a thumbs up. If you like what me and Robin are doing on the channel, subscribe to the channel. And always